Hello everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and today I'm at the House of Tools workshop, and today I'm going to show you what a tool looks like. Sounds pretty simple. Well, it's a screwdriver set. How much can you say about a screwdriver set? But when you look at a website, everything is two-dimensional. Here in video, we can show you a little more three-dimensional what a tool looks like, so when you go to order it, you have a better idea what it's going to look like and perform for you. This particular one is RB Swiss. It's a Swiss company made in Switzerland. It's going to be a 4-piece screwdriver set. And this particular one is called PB8243RB. And it's a SwissGrip Screwdriver Set. And it comes with a holder, 4 screwdrivers, and they even give you the screws to hang it. So what's kind of neat here that I was looking at, this would screw to a wall. You might be able to use pegboard, but you might have to enlarge those holes. But what's interesting is the slot in the front. A lot of pegboard, you have to drop the tool in like that, and when you go to pull it out, you get about 3/4 and you start walking away and you get hung up on the tool holder. This one doesn't work that way. When these go in, you can literally just put them straight in or pull them straight out. So much easier than having to drop it all the way in, because I don't know about you, but I'm always in a hurry when I'm grabbing the tool. So I grab it, I start to pull out, I'm walking away, and then I get hung up, I gotta come back, make sure I get it all the way out. That's not gonna happen when you use that holder. Take a look at these handles. They're really comfortable. They're round, they're soft rubber, so they're really comfortable there. Good sized screwdriver. And when you set it down, it's not gonna roll away. It's gonna center itself and stay right there. This particular set is their Phillips set, so it comes with 4 sizes here. And if I had reading glasses, I could probably do a better job of this. Actually, these are PZs. I'm sorry, these are PZs. Doesn't tell you the size here. At least I can't read it. But, oh, I'm sorry, it's right here on the shaft if I would just look a little better. It says PZ3, PZ2, I'm going to assume PZ1. Hey, look at that, and PZ0. Look at that, a little bit harder to read, but 4 good sizes here in a nice little compact set with the holder. So, if you can like and subscribe to this channel, we appreciate it. It's kind of nice to be able to pick up a tool and show you the tool a little bit better. You can see the end of it here. Tells you what it is on the end, which, again, I should have looked at in the first place. But you get an idea of the size of the tool and what it looks like in these videos, and that's the whole point. So again, if you can like and subscribe and leave us a comment. How do you like these videos? Do they help you make your tool buying choice easier or not? Do you use these tools? Do you like these tools? Let us know. There's also a link down below to order it directly from House of Tools. Until then, keep working in that workshop and we'll see you on the next one.